Hello guys, what's up? So if you are looking for a way how to use GIF in Snapchat chart, then check out this video. So we are in Snapchat, and when you type some message, you will see your keyboard. So basically what you have to do, you have to use Gboard as your keyboard. So as you can see, I am using Gboard as my keyboard. So in Gboard there is an option of GIF tab here, and you can see GIF images. They have different categories also. You can choose from different categories. Once you choose a GIF or GIF, tap on it and you are done. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use GIF in Snapchat chart. You just have to use Gboard as your keyboard. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.